Hey guys, Stefan here from Civils.ai. In this demo, I'm going to show you how you can create a library of building codes and project specs and search through them to help with compliance checking on construction projects. So on Civils.ai, you'll see I have here projects and libraries. If I create a library here, I can group together different important documents. So there's no limit on the number of documents you can include. Here I've included just the fire codes. But the concept here is I can do quick queries on information inside the codes and basically pull this information out. So our search engine's really fast. It just takes a few seconds to pull this information out. And in this case, it's like an 800-page document which we can load up. And very accurate as well. It's all reference driven, so you can basically find the references yourself. We point out where the information is. So if there's multiple clauses that explain the same thing, we can kind of combine all that information and present it back to you. You can create these different libraries yourself. So here we have several different standard contracts that I've grouped together. So you'll see here it takes me straight to the answer and basically shows me where this information has come from. I can also, so if you're an admin on the enterprise, you can basically create these libraries yourself, and other people in your team or your department can use this library for searching. You can also set up projects. So on projects, I can upload specs, contracts, investigations, even drawings, and search through all that information. So in this case, I could ask the same question, like defects notification period. And in this case, I can actually search through what the specs on the project say, rather than just the standard conditions of contract in the library. So you have the two parts. You have like searching through libraries, which are documents like building codes that are used on many different projects. And then you have searching through project-specific information. And you can combine these two using Civils.ai to create this like compliance library.